Every day, the ocean moves in and out like clockwork. Waves rise, water retreats, and the coastline quietly breathes. Now imagine turning that steady motion into clean electricity. That's exactly what tidal energy does. Tidal energy works by using the natural rise and fall of ocean tides to spin turbines, which are basically underwater windmills. When the tide comes in, large amounts of water rush through these turbines and make them spin. When the tide goes out, the water flows back the other way and spins them again. That spinning motion turns a generator, and the generator converts movement into electricity that can be sent through cables to power homes, schools, and businesses. What makes tidal energy special is where tides come from. Tides are driven mainly by the moon's gravity pulling on Earth's oceans. Because the moon's motion is so predictable, we can calculate tidal patterns years ahead of time. That means tidal energy doesn't depend on weather. Unlike solar panels or wind turbines, it runs on a schedule we already know. Of course, using the ocean isn't as simple as it sounds. Engineers have to place turbines in spots where tides move fast, like narrow channels or certain coastal areas. The equipment must survive saltwater, storms, and constant exposure to marine life. Building and maintaining machines underwater is difficult and expensive, which is one reason tidal energy isn't widespread yet. Still, there are clear advantages. Tidal energy is clean, renewable, and extremely reliable. It produces no emissions during operation and can run for decades once installed. Its predictability makes it a strong partner to other renewable sources. There are downsides too. Projects cost a lot upfront, can affect marine habitats if poorly designed, and only work in locations with strong tides. Tidal energy won't power the entire world, but in the right places, it offers a steady, dependable piece of our clean energy future.